Hello, it's Martina from Be Lenka, and it's my pleasure to share some insights with you about our new winter model of Be Lenka Snowfox, especially made for women. Be Lenka Snowfox is our new model of barefoot walking shoes that will keep you dry and warm even during harsh winters. So now let's take a closer look at Be Lenka Snowfox. First, I would like to mention a variety of colors that we have. The Be Lenka Snowfox come in 3 different colors, as you can see, and the first one is very natural brown. It's the color of nature, so that's why I believe that Be Lenka Snowfox look very, very natural in brown. The second color we have is black. As you can see, it's a very elegant and very neutral color that can be easily combined with any of your winter outfits. And last but not least, we have green. Also, it's the color of nature that reminds us of trees, of plants, of grass, and also brings us peace. So lots of colors that you can choose from to match with all of your winter outfits. So what are some important features of Be Lenka Snowfox? The first thing that I would like to mention is their high-cut design that prevents snow from falling into your shoes. The second very important feature is their natural and synthetic wool lining that will keep your feet both warm and dry. Another important feature is a woolen insole that can be easily removed, and as you can see, it has a woolen material at the front, and then there is aluminum layer on the bottom that will prevent you from cold. Another great feature that I would like to mention is a waterproof membrane that prevents your feet from being wet while having fun on snow. The next thing that we are going to talk about is newly designed non-slippery sole. As you can see, it's ultra flexible and it has thickness of only 4 millimeters to provide you with maximum barefoot experience. The next thing that we are going to talk about is a wide toe box in front of the shoe that provides you with plenty of space for your toes. Another thing is also a zero drop, which means no height difference between the heel and the toes, which provides you with a lot of health benefits such as strengthening your muscles, etc. Also, they're ultra light and their weight is only 790 grams. So lots of functionalities that will provide you with an excellent barefoot experience while still enjoying snow around you. Be Lenka Snowfox is now available on belenka.com, or you can just click on the link in the description below, and I wish you happy winter with Be Lenka Snowfox.